Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Behind the Truth. Let's coming to the point. ChatGPT, a disruptive technology causing sleepless nights for Google CEO Sundar Pichai and threatening various professions. It's the hottest tech in Silicon Valley. Created by OpenAI, Google utilizes it for various purposes. The tussle between Microsoft and Google raises questions for common people, businessmen, and employees about the future of their businesses and jobs. The impact on various industries and the education system remains uncertain. Top 1% companies playing a significant game with potential effects on the common man. ChatGPT stands for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, the latest revolutionary IT technology. It introduces a groundbreaking aspect called generative AI, changing the conventional role of artificial intelligence from processing existing data to generating new content beyond predefined patterns in books, blogs, research, and papers. ChatGPT is a revolutionary technology on the internet that goes beyond mere analysis and extraction. It creates entirely new content, unlike anything seen before. For instance, if someone is upset, instead of retrieving existing poems, it generates brand new ones. ChatGPT's capabilities span multiple domains, including conducting exams, writing code, offering legal and financial advice, answering questions, and even handling follow-up queries. It's a groundbreaking advancement in content generation. ChatGPT's self-learning ability allows it to answer your questions and adapt based on your feedback. Achieving 1 million users in just 5 days, it surpasses major companies like Netflix, Airbnb, Facebook, and Spotify in growth speed. Currently, with over 100 million users within 2 months, it's a remarkable success story. This chatbot's uniqueness lies in passing the Turing test, distinguishing between human and computer-generated conversations. Unlike previous chatbots, interacting with it for just 2 minutes easily reveals its authenticity. Created by Elon Musk and Sam Altman in 2015, it has caused a significant impact and is unmatched in passing this test globally. Went full-time to Tesla, resigning from the previous role. The open board lacks donors and advisors. The chat is not the first platform that converts text to images. It excels in image conversion and remains a valuable tool for businesses and research. Initially intended as open source and non-profit, it's no longer maintained as such. No, converted it from non-profit to profit, said that you earn a little bit of money. Now what is the name of Microsoft in this? Had supported that, cloud computing we do is exclusive, we do not run cloud computing. They have partnered with Microsoft. Cool thing has come in year 2000. Before that 6 years ago in year 2016 one thing. This type of chatbot has been launched. Its name was tay.ai, but on the very first day itself, its user was called off, because it was new. It did not have that thing, it was giving answers, it was giving resistance, it was spirit. The tay.ai was giving and he was giving a strange answer. Facebook said that we will only bring it. Then Meta brought Blender Boat 3, his condition was also the same. Then Go and now Open, this is the third one. The user appreciated it, he enjoyed talking, he is doing a good chat. How powerful is the chat? Tell me that you have done MBA from what university it has happened. ChatGPT said means water st gave MBA paper to check it brother see he solved it and showed it complete solved the paper. ChatGPT got ill and why he didn't get A? He is still learning, he will learn slowly, he will bring A+B, then he will bring law in Minnesota University. He has given 4 papers. What did Google do? And this will happen because of the girls' fight. Will they adopt us? Going ahead and stay till the end of the discuss video. In the meantime let's talk about ourselves first. What will be the harm or benefit to a business from ChatGPT or whose job is in jeopardy? Then the people who got the biggest job. Yes, he is a content writer. Policy, how do they work? Do you give such a topic? People write description, write profile, they are less able to generate any kind of text and they take money for the same thing. ChatGPT told me that I will do it for free. If I want to write a blog worth $1,000, Why would I want 2,000 to a blogger or a copywriter? That content has happened in the writer. The second thing that has taken away, now it has also taken to journalism. Tell me, what kind of head of journalism do you notice? The kind of heading that comes on TV. What heading should be given to the newspaper, magazine? What article do you want to print in your brother? This thing is going on in Pakistani melody. It is over. Well, my child, if you are doing school homework, then come to school. Write a lecture on this. It has come like this. You will write it like this. Set the question paper for 10th and give it. You write this matter. This thing has happened. What does this constitution say? ChatGPT will tell there are few people who give all the mails. They are giving by writing quotations. They are giving by making offer letters. In all, the one thing that was said first of all, when it used to be about AI, he will do it. If he does it, people will do it. He will do it like this. He will do a little creative job. It will take him a little. Sir, he did the first attack on the creative job. Because if a person has so much power, he cannot make a thumbnail as good as that of an eye. He will not write as good as brother. He will write GPT, and this brother is still in testing version. It says that I will see the events of 2021. I write on the pay. His brother's update is yet to be done. What, will he not get a job? This is the only generated message which sends to interact with its customer, for this is 2025. In the next 3 years this figure is 2%, there is talk of going up to 30%, and the most shocking fake, which made me sad, what are you doing? They are saying that by 2030, more than 90% blockbuster ChatGPT will generate the content of the movie and give it means. What will he write? And script writer ChatGPT knows what kind of pictures are played. What kind of dialogues will hit, which situation is good, what to do. ChatGPT will write the script and ChatGPT generate the content, so in total, a big change is going to come. The world doesn't know where to learn good skills. Today you have learned that skill 3 after year after 5 years skill is bad, then something else will happen. Then first thing you have to keep in yourself is to keep learning side, no matter what it is today. We will learn it after 6 months, after 12 months you will have to change yourself. We will be prepared because technology market is changing, something which will always be in demand. I am telling you, if your communication is good, then that thing will always be in demand. Your management is good, you can get the thing done less than 10 lakhs, always you will be in demand. You are a good visionary, you can make a good plan, you will always be in demand, because there is one thing that will never be replaced: of trust. Even if I read anything from Google, my income tax got rated, asked what he is doing when he is read. He will tell 10 points, but should I do 10 points or not? When till I will not say from the mouth of CA that CA should do this, that confidence will not come, that trust will not come. Even there the chat will take time to reach GPT or anyone. If not today, then tomorrow the reach will break. Focus on this thing and move forward. On November 30th, 2022, when ChatGPT is launched, brought in Google Meeting in December, and code red situation. That code red is the crisis of existence, will settle everything. Then after all, what did he do? Now you know one question. What is the difference between Google and ChatGPT? Let's see the difference between land and sky. Google only gives you the thing after searching. I am giving you the direct answer. Here is Elon Musk, see who is fighting the war of IT.